So welcome to the all defense aspirants. Today I am with a great good news to all of the Sainik school aspirants who are eagerly waiting for the notification. Today National Testing Agency (NTA) has released a notification on All India Sainik School examination, All India Sainik School Entrance 2022 examination 2022. See what are the different, what are the criteria, what are the age conditions, and how to apply. Just I am simplifying the entire process through this video. Please see. So first, important information and dates at a glance. See, online submission of application form from 27th September from today onwards to 26th October up to 5 p.m. Online submission, and last date of successful transaction of fee through credit, debit card, net banking 26th October last date. Okay, online payment, and the fee payable by the candidates in rupees 550 rupees. 550 rupees. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. This is the interruption. Just 1 minute. Just 1 second. Okay. Right. So see, for general wards of defense personnel and ex-servicemen OBC NCL as per the central list, they have to pay 550 rupees, and rest of SC and STs they have to pay rupees 400. Okay. Next, only important one I will be explain. Correction of details, fill in application form on website only 28th October to 2nd November only. Downloading of admit cards from NTA website will be announced on the NTA website later. Okay. Date of examination 9th January of 2022 Sunday. There will be an exam of All India Sainik School. Timings of examination: exam for admission class 6 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and exam for class 9 2 to 5 p.m. And the duration of examination, we know the 150 minutes for class 6 and 180 minutes for class 9. So exam center as indicated in the admit card. Display of scan OMR answer sheet, question paper sets and answer keys will be announced on the NTA website later. Okay. Websites for applying online as per the as concerned for the last year 2021, we have already applied with the NTA website and All India Service NTA NICN. Okay. Declaration of results as per the website you have to thoroughly watch after conducting examination. Candidates can apply for All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2022 online only on the website given. This one. The application form other than online mode will not be accepted. Only one application is to be submitted by candidate. If candidate submits more than one application form for admission to the same level, all his or application form shall be summarily rejected. Candidate must follow the instructions strictly as given in the information bulletin and NTA website. Okay. Candidate must ensure that email address and mobile number, okay, they have to be provided. Instruction for filling application: download and read the information bulletin. This is the information bulletin I am now reading. Follow the step. First, apply for online registration using unique email ID and mobile number. Fill in the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Upload the following documents. Very important. These documents are very important. Number 1, scan image of candidate's photograph file 10 KB to 200 KB in JPG and JPEG format. Candidate signature it is also indicated. Candidate's left hand thumb impression, this also, and date of birth certificate, domicile certificate, caste and community certificate, certificate of service for defense category serving, or and PPO for ex-servicemen as applicable. Okay. And the next, go for next page. Step 4, pay fee using so and so. Step 4 is the payment of. Download, save and print copies of confirmation page after successful remittance of fee and keep copies safely for further future reference. Okay. All the 4 steps can be done together in one go for the different times. The final submission of online application form will be remain incomplete if step 3 and step 4 are not complete, right? Such forms will stand rejected and no correspondence on this account will be entertained. Okay. Candidates are advised to keep the application number and password generated during registration confidential and use them to view registration data and download admit card result. Okay. Any request to change the examination center date and time provided on the admit card shall not be considered under any circumstances. No request for refund of the fee once remitted by the candidate will entertained by the NTA. The entire application process of All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2022 is online, including uploading of scan images, certificates, payment of fee and printing of confirmation page. Therefore, candidates are not required to submit any document, including confirmation page, to NTA through post or fax or by hand. Candidates are advised to keep visiting the NTA website regularly for all examination related updates and to check their emails even. However, the candidates are advised to visit the respective school website for information about the school. Okay, not allow any instrument. This is the examination point of view. So see, disclaimer. These are the disclaimer and the go for next. This is a introduction. Okay. Okay. So I am going for just examination pattern. Just I am explaining you the examination pattern. How is the Sainik school pattern is there. See, this is we have already discussed. Schedule of examination. Online submission of application from today onwards to 26th October. Last date for transaction 26th October and the correction 28th October to 2nd November. Okay. Duration of examination, this is already we have discussed. And admit card we have already. Scheme of the examination. C. Mode of examination. Paper, pencil and OMR answer sheet for admission to both class 6 and class 9. Type of question, multiple choice questions. Scheme of examination is as follows. C. Very important. For class 6 standard, those who are studying now in 5th class, those who are studying in 5th class now, they can apply the Sainik school. This is the for term 2022-2023 next year admission. Those who are now studying 5th class, they can apply the Sainik school for class 6. Those who are now studying for class 8, they can give for Sainik school 9th class. This is for upcoming next year, next academic year 2020-22-23. So the exam pattern is number of questions mathematics 50. This is for class 6. Mathematics is 50 questions. Intelligence, this is reasoning 25. Language, English language 25 and general knowledge 25. Total 125. So 50 into 3 marks, 25 into 2, 25 into 2, 25 into 2. So total 150, 50, 50, 50, 300. Total marks is 300. Understood? So next, this is the 9th class. Mathematics, intelligence, English, general science, social science. Okay, total consisting of 400 marks. Medium of examinations, these are the for admission to class 6 mediums. Okay, and 9 for admission to class 9 only English only. Okay. Next, the syllabus for the exam given in appendix 2 and 3. Okay, centers also in the appendix 5. Next, the age criteria. I want to show you what are the age criteria for the examination. Okay, 1 minute. What is the age criteria I want to need? So for age, we go for age criteria. 1 minute. Introduction, general information, eligibility requirement, admission and reservation steps, filling bar items, information for parents, admit card, instruction to be followed, is unfair, exam activities, special appendix 1 to 10. Okay, so I go for page number 13. Go for page number 13, 12 and 13. Right. Eligibility. See, for admission to class 6, a candidate should between, very important, this eligibility criteria is very important. For admission to class 6, a candidate should be between 10 to 12 years as on 31st March 2022. For admission to class 6, that is she should have been born between 1st April 2000. This is very important. 1st April 2010 10 to 31st March 2012. Those date of birth is 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2012. They can apply for Sainik School class 6th. This is the age criteria, that is as on 31st March 2022, which is upcoming 22 March 2022. This is the 21, and next upcoming to the March 31st 2022. As on that day, they have to be in between age 10 to 12. That is the date of birth falling should be 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2012 for admission to the academic year 2022-23. Admission for girls is open for class 6. Age criteria is same as boys. Candidates are advised to check the availability of seats for girls in appendix 6 carefully. For admission to class 9, a candidate should be between 13 to 15 years. 13 to 15 years as on 31st March 2022 for admission to class 9. Okay, he should have been born between 1st April 2007 to 31st March 2009. Understood? Understood or not? Okay. For admission to the academic year 2022-23. Admission to class 9 is not open for girls. Okay. He should have passed class 8th exam from a recognized school at the time of admission. At the time of admission. But there is, for class 6, there is no need to pass off examination class 5. Understood? This is one important one. Anyone, if the age is suitable for this one, the age criteria, if suitable for the entrance examination, they can apply for Sainik School. There is no need of studying class 5. This is very important. Please see. But in case of class 9, there is compulsory pass with class 8 exam at the time of admission. Okay. Passing for marks. A candidate is eligible for admission to the Sainik schools if she secures a minimum of 25% marks in each subject of the exam and 40% in aggregate. In every subject, there should be a 25% marks and aggregate 40% overall. Okay. All the subjects, All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2022. However, admission will be based on relative merit of candidate in school opted by him, medical fitness and verification of request document. Okay, requisite document. Medical examination also conducted by the concerned schools, and there are no interview. There is no interview. However, no minimum marks are prescribed for candidate belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. There are no requirement for minimum. Very important. When they respective subject to their meeting and eligibility requirement. In case of SC, ST category, candidate comes in general merit on his or own. Okay. So this is the important announcement for all the defense aspirants. Please be ready. The examination will be held on 9th January 2021. So very short period to be preparing. Okay. And hope you all are preparing very well. So for latest updation and further important chapter wise, I will be discuss how to prepare the Sainik School examination and crack the examination within short period. So follow our YouTube channel and like so much so that so many interesting updates should be updated on regular basis. Thank you very much.